All right, let me do a shout out here to John Klem. Big John with the low voice. Now, John, he's sent me a little letter here thanking me for being letting him be part of our channel and everything. There you don't have to do that because, everybody's welcome. Now, John, he's a very big supporter of all our YouTube subscribers and YouTubers. He's there no matter what. Early in the morning, late at night. That's Big John. Big Bad John. All right, take it. Let's have a look at this Ariens 7 horsepower 24-inch cut. She's an oldie. Let's see what's wrong with her. Okay, at first glance, let's take a look what's underneath. Didn't have to take those all the way out because they have slots, but what the heck. Oh boy, look at under here. Ooh-wee. Dirty. Yeah, it's pretty crusty under there. The drive wheel doesn't look that bad. Looks like it's been recently replaced, yeah, but who knows? Everything seems to be working there. Let's see, forward and reverse. Something's not working here. This is the forward and reverse lever. We'll have to look at that. Let's take it off of here. Let me get some. My cat's crying. All right. Well, looks like that's pretty well frozen. Let me see if I could loosen that up, and I'll get back with you.